Good morning, guys. Good morning, Creamy Squad. So today is Friday, is another moving day for me. It's been a roller coaster of work, stress and all that. I've been packing and shopping for my new apartment, which you guys are gonna have already seen the empty apartment tour. So I just woke up and just finished having my bath and applied a little bit of lip gloss, just to look a little good, not to look too crazy. So today is the final packing day for me. Look at this, like today is the final packing day for me. I just woke up. I have a delivery today in my new apartment. My mattress is gonna be delivered this morning from 9 a.m. so it's about 8 a.m. I'm gonna drive. My new apartment is like 35 minutes, 36 minutes from my dad's house, so I'm gonna be heading that way. But before leaving, I'm gonna pack a few things, few boxes. I've already moved majority of my things. It's remaining clothing and shoes and maybe a little bit of just that. I'm not taking my bed or my chairs, like I bought everything new. So y'all know packing during this or moving during pandemic is crazy. You have to order some things online and delivery takes forever. So my trust delivery is today, which I'm excited about, and my bed is gonna be delivered in about a week or thereabout, and my couch should be delivered in about 2 weeks or shipped in about 2 weeks. That's crazy, from Wayfair. So I'm gonna do a fully furnished apartment tour for you guys. So stay tuned. This is gonna be a series, like I already said, from my empty apartment tour. It's gonna be a series: moving, packing, vlogging, me shopping, going to the stores. I've been to Home Goods, Home Depot. Those stores are open actually. Yeah, and delivery, even if you walk into the store to shop, delivery still takes longer than normal or longer than usual because of the pandemic, the season we're in. So moving during this time, I'm gonna vlog about it. Moving during pandemic is not something you want to think about. It's a roller coaster of stress and all that. So you guys, and yeah, this is my mirror for my selfie. Yes, guys. Oh, I've lost a little bit of inches. I've been restraining these few days because I really added. Wait. Alright, so that is it. I'm gonna show you guys the closet. This was my little walk-in closet, guys. This was my little walk-in closet. It's a mess because I've moved a whole lot of stuff out of here already. I got this from IKEA. Yes, the bookshelf from IKEA. So I used this for my shoes and clothing, and yeah, I already moved few of my shoes into my new apartment. So yeah, that is it, guys. So right now I'm just gonna sit and then pack. I'm gonna pack my clothing right now out of this closet. So let's do this. Where am I gonna set this? The 12? Hi guys, so today I'm out to shop for my trash. 12 is when? When is the 12? Okay.
Today's the 10th.
Today's the 10th. Tomorrow 11. That's on Friday. Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it. What's your name?
Joy.
Joy, your name?
Tayana. Alright. So for which bed? Center?
Yeah.
So this is mattress firm.
But I love this. So am I getting this?
I can put the what you call under there.
Either word?
You get it free. Oh, you gotta pay $6.99 to get it free, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So not free. I have to still pay $6.99.
It's not, you get it free, you're not paying, It's like, you're not paying for Rockman, so it's cheaper. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna put the base on here for you. I can see the groove.
Is it easy?
What's this? This feels me that I've been on furlough for 3 months and it's my first day back. So I'm a little bit off rusty.
That's Lux. I like that, but that is okay. That's expensive. Wow. So does it come like this with this whole set?
Yeah, that don't come with the
Okay, I think I need pillows. I need.
pillows. You can probably get this one somewhere else.
Right.
Okay.
Yours is gonna be expensive.
Yeah, I don't want to, I'm just gonna tell you like it is.
Yeah. That's okay. All right. So we getting the mattress. What's up, you guys? So today is another shopping day. So I'm at Home Goods. Actually, I'm coming to shop for center rugs and bedroom rugs. It's been a crazy week. So, guys, as you have already seen, yesterday I went shopping for mattress. I went to Mattress Fam, got a mattress, and then went to Home Goods yesterday and bought a whole lot of decor stuffs and all that. So today I want to buy rugs, and then artworks. I want to buy living room artwork, and yeah. So let's see the kind of artwork we're gonna get. Hopefully I get a good artwork, the kind of artwork I want, kind of yeah. Hopefully I get something nice, something minimal, around white, because the theme, I'm gonna do a full apartment tour for you guys to see. And yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited for this stage. It's a whole lot. Believe me, moving is crazy. Like trying to get an apartment and moving into a new apartment is not for kids. Like it's been a whole roller coaster process, from getting the apartment, signing the lease and doing all that good stuff, and then now trying to shop for the apartment. And I did shop for my bed yesterday. I got my mattress, so I shopped for the bed today online. It's gonna be delivered around 22nd, so I can't wait. I'm gonna vlog that process as well. And yeah, you guys, I bought some coffee table today. I bought that's online from Wayfair, so I'm gonna vlog that once it's been delivered. And what else did I buy? I bought bar stools, and dining stools, bar stools. So yeah, I'm excited. At least it's a progress. I'm making some good progress, which I am excited about, you guys. Like, so let me show you guys where I'm at here here at Home Goods, like I already said. So here is Home Goods, there is Home Goods, and that is TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna go in there right now. Lord, shopping ain't easy, guys. Oh, what is this? Okay. This is cute. Okay. What colors do I want for my kitchen? Okay, this is my color theme. So I'm gonna take this, all of these colors. Guys, look at this. I have a whole lot of storage, like cabinet, so I'm gonna need like 4 of these. Okay, let's see what else I can get. What is this for? Champagne and champagne juice maker. I need a wine opener. Okay, yes. Okay. Microwave clean. Microwave cover. Yeah. What is this for? Reusable snack and sandwich, but what? Spoon, right? What color?
Like 4 different colors.
Oh, this is cute.
So you don't like white. Or you don't like white.
I don't want wet. Oh, what is this? Oh. Oh, this is nice, but this is black and white.
We miss you. To keep you and our associates safe, we have enhanced protocols throughout the store.
Oh, this is. We saw this yesterday. It's so cute, yeah.
We appreciate your business and our
Oh, this one.
thank you for your cooperation.
Okay, guys. I'm still shopping. Oh, this is so heavy. Look at this set of spoons. Right. I want this, but let me shop around and see if I can find other ones. Okay. Oh my god, this one is 51 cents. This is so heavy. I need a set of this and a set of knife, set of a dish set too. I need a dish set of knives, set of cutleries, like this one. That's too heavy. Oh. My vlogging. I love mom. This is cute. For coffee. And then this sweet tea for tea. That's cute. Like, I'm so confused. I am literally so confused, guys. Look at this, guys. This is so cute. Like, I love colors. This is the theme I'm doing for my kitchen, the color theme I'm gonna be having in my kitchen. I love this. What is this? Is so cute. What can we save in this? $7. Even this is pretty. This is $19. I love this. But my living room theme is white silver. Okay. So we tired, like I'm tired of talking. What is that? What are this? What is that bowl? Wash. What do you think? Should I get that?
What?
The bowl.
What one? For what?
Maybe to wash something. Too small. This color thing. When we get tired of this color thing, I'm just thinking like, isn't it too much? Ooh, we should sell that color. The pineapple thing. Just one left. Maybe. Since it's the
I
thing.
like the gold sprinkle.
Better. Yeah, it's cute. Little cute things. Plates. We have stuff. Yeah. Cereal bowl.
Cereal bowl, salad.
Make salad here and then. Okay. Oh, look at that. That looks scary. That's someone's face. From shopping for house stuff to shopping for clothes. How amazing. What are those? Holistics. Cashier.
No video.
Yeah. Please. How much is it again? It's hot. Well, let me get the car.
Okay.
Okay.